Hi, beautiful Glina artistic family. I am Coach Glina, your paint manufacturer's mentor. Welcome back to Glina Artistic Paint Education, the channel where you master paint production, branding and pricing psychology, sales strategy, and chemicals formulation. This video is for you if you have been asking, why isn't my paint selling? And how do I turn one bucket into a paint brand that customers actually buys? You understand? So now, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our powerful paint business tutorial. To my returning subscribers, members, and students, thank you for being part of this Glinified community. I appreciate with love. Drop a comment right now. What country are you watching from? Because I reply to all my comments and you know my language. You are my motivation. Most paint manufacturer thinks the problem is formula. But here is the truth. Your formula can be good and your bucket will still gather dust in shops. Yes, the real problem is you don't have a sales funnel. Without a system to sell paint, you will stay stuck no matter how good your product is. Yes, listen to me. Come closer. So now let me teach you 3 steps on how to position your selling. The first step is called the POP sales, which is the profitable offer prototype. You understand? So now, your first profitable strategy isn't about selling all types of paint. Please, please, please don't do that. Even if you know how to produce 100 types of paint, the first thing you need to do is that, first of all, don't launch with 10 types of paint. Like I said, what you need to do is start with emulsion paint, gloss paint, and primer paint. You understand? Sell them together as 3-in-1 starter pack for painters, builders, and shop dealers. You understand? Example is that, let's say this paint is cost 25,000 naira. You can put all of it together and sell it for 20,000 naira as your paint starter pack. I'm giving you an example. I'm not saying you should go sell the 3 paints for 20,000 naira. So if you want to learn more simple strategy, then join our paintpreneur group. It is free. The link is going to be in the description, where you connect with other paint manufacturers. You understand? So now it's called the SOP sales, scalable offer prototype. So now, once you have your POP sales, you now move to SOP, the scalable offer prototype paint. So how does it work? Simple. You package your paint for bulk buyers, contractors, and retailers. So now you supply 50 buckets at a dealer price and offer free delivery, including a creator distributor deal. 1 person equals to 1 location, your paint sales agent. And of course, you're going to be educating them. So if you're researching how to scale your paint business, then I advise you to book a free paint manufacturing business clarity call with me. I'll help you find your sales bottleneck. The link is going to be in the description. So hurry and go click the link if you want more clarity, because I don't want to waste your time, you understand? Then I'll explain every other process to you. So now, the third step, paint sales funnel. Yes. So here's how the funnel works. Number 1, we have 3 different categories of customers. We have the top awareness, where you are going to be teaching your customers with your social media how your product goes. Then the middle is engagement. When they come to you on your WhatsApp, you explain to them, send them live videos of your product. Then the bottom one is selling to them by bulk order and training them on how to go about selling your products. If you follow the system, your paint will sell itself from 1 bucket to an entire paint empire. If you follow this system, like I said, you're going to be selling. Yes. One of my students in Ghana uses exact system. He started with just 3 products, created a starter pack, and within 3 months, he landed his first bulk buyer contract worth 5,000 USD. Yes, he told me, Coach Glina, I finally understand how to sell paint, not just produce it. So the main deal is not all about producing paint. After producing paint, of course, you have to sell your paint. You have to get buyers who will be eager to buy your product from you. Then, in that way, you are in for the business, which is called the paint manufacturing business, not just paint production. Hope you understand. Here's the deal. Start with your POP, grow into your SOP, and run your paint sales funnel. If you're ready to build a profitable paint business, you can enroll in our paint courses today. That is where I give you the formula sales system and advanced strategy to dominate your market. The link is also going to be in the description. And if you want to go deeper, you can also become our channel member. That is where I drop my exclusive production formulas and chemical list from time to time, and it gives you access to me. So thank you for watching, and remember, I don't just teach paint production. I remove the fear of starting. I help you fix your errors, and I show you how to turn your paint into profit. So subscribe now and join our Glinified community. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.